Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Smooth, as you all know. I'm so glad to see you guys today. So today I'm going to be doing this makeup look tutorial. As you can see, my lips, my eyes, everything is talking and sparkling and speaking in tongue. So guys, before we get started, I would like you guys to please subscribe somewhere down there. Subscribe, like this video, drop a comment and click on the notification button so that whenever I upload new video, you will be the first person to like get notified. And on the February the 14th, you can actually rock this look for the Valentine. I'd like to ask you guys a question. What would you like your boyfriend, your boo, your cupcake, whatever you call him, what would you like him to buy for you? Would you prefer him to buy you like a full box of makeup products or give you the cash? What do you think? You prefer the cash or a full box of makeup products? Drop a comment below and let me know what you would like to have as your Valentine's gifts. For me, I would like the cash, guys. I want the cash. I have too much makeup products. Give me the cash, and I know what I need in my box. I know the kind of makeup product that I need. Just let me have the cash and I'll get whatever I need myself. I don't need the makeup products. I want the cash. Okay guys, let's get straight to the video. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below. And most importantly, click on the notification button. Okay guys, love you. Let's get started. Let's get straight to the video. I'm gonna be cleaning my face with Spirit. I like to cleanse my face with Spirit. I don't use face primer. Now I'm going to be using my foundation. So today I'm going to be using my foundation before eyebrow. I said it the last time, you can either do your eyebrow first before blending your foundation. So today I'm doing the other way around, like blending my foundation, setting it with my powder before doing my eyebrow. So now the kind of makeup I'm doing today actually is contouring and highlighting my face without concealer. So I'm going to be doing all this without my concealer. So here I'm blending my foundation all the way to my neck, and here I'm setting it in with my powder. So guys, you can use whatever kind of foundation works for you, or powder, whatever kind of powder that works for you. So I'm trying to set my under eye so that when I'm applying my eyeshadow, it doesn't stain my under eye. So I'm just applying just a little bit, not a lot. So obviously before you groom your eyebrow, you want to use your mascara wand to brush it out before using your eyebrow pencil to draw your eyebrow. So here, the first thing we do is to draw the first line under, and then the second line at the top of the eyebrow. Just like that, and then you fill it in. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other eyebrow. Guys, don't forget the kind of makeup I'm doing today is my full face makeup without concealer. I don't need no concealer to highlight my under eye or to contour my cheekbone. As you all know, I'm always all about, saving your money. And you know that what I do after drawing my eyebrow is to use my foundation shade to clean under my eyebrow before using concealer to highlight it. Guys, we don't want to waste our concealer. I know a lot of people use concealer to clean the top and the under part of their eyebrow. I think you can actually use your foundation shade to do that, after which you use your concealer to highlight it, as I'm going to be doing now. Now I'm using my concealer. I'm using my concealer, that is after I already used my foundation shade to clean everywhere under my eyebrow, the top of my eyebrow. So now I'm using a powdered eyeshadow in my skin color shade. So a powdered eyeshadow in, like, I think cream color or like powdered color, just to set in the concealer on my eyelid. So now I'm going to be using a very dark brown eyeshadow, to not like cut my crease. In this video I'm showing you easy and different way that you can actually, get your eyeshadow, your crease cut, everything nice without concealer. So I'm using a very dark brown eyeshadow. I'm trying to add more to it to contour the corners of my eyeball. So I'm going to be mixing the very dark eyeshadow. I'm mixing it with a little bit of wine and a little bit of purple, as usual. So some people ask me, why do I like to mix with purple? Because purple gives the color like a very nice contoured, color. So now I'm blending it all together, as you can see, after using the very dark brown and then the purple and dark brown and the purple. So now I'm blending it all both together. Don't mind me. If you know me, you know that I'm very playful, guys. So I'm going back to the powdered eyeshadow that I used earlier. So here I'm using a dark, close to like a dark brown, a light brown rather. Guys, remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video and drop a comment below. If you can rock this makeup look for your Valentine, drop a comment below. And the question I asked earlier, if you would want your boyfriend to give you cash as your Valentine gift or to buy you a full box of makeup products, drop a comment below. Let me know what you want or what you think about it. So yeah, I'm trying to draw my liquid liner. So I don't want it to be too angled. I don't want the angle to come out too much. So I'm trying to do it as short as possible. Guys, I know that the most difficult part of makeup application is liquid eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner can be so difficult if you don't know the tricks. And one thing that I don't really like to do for myself is my eyelashes, guys. I don't like to fix my lashes. So I'm trying to keep my eye busy. So I'm using a black eye under eye pencil, and I'm going to be using a green under eye pencil. If you haven't tried a green under eye, green and blue under eye, guys, you should give it a try. Any brand, just get any. You all know I'm all about, I don't do popular brands, like, because Nicki Minaj is bringing out her makeup brand, I have to get it. Because Rihanna is bringing a makeup brand, I have to get it. Guys, buy whatever brand works for you. Honestly, whatever brands, makeup brands work for you. You don't have to spend so much money on makeup products, because we can't just keep buying makeup products. Every day new makeup brand comes out, different kind of makeup brushes, the same thing but different brand. So we want to be careful. That is why I am all about using whatever works for you. Use whatever you have in your makeup box. Just go with the color, the shade I'm showing you right now. I don't need to show you the brand I'm using. I don't need to advertise for nobody. Nobody is sponsoring this video right now. So here I like pink. If you know me very well, guys, I one of my favorite lipstick or lip color is pink. So here, after lining my lip and using like a very dark pink, right now I'm highlighting my lip. You can highlight your lip with a very like a chalk, white or creamy chalk color lip highlighter. So you can use it on a red lipstick, you can use it on a purple lipstick, you can use it on any color. So guys, lipstick highlighter is one thing you need to have in your makeup box or your makeup purse. It helps highlight your lipstick. So imagine my lip now looking all talking and speaking in tongues. Now guys, I'm going to be contouring my cheekbone. There right now I'm using a powdered blush. Like I said, this video is all about contouring and highlighting your face without concealer. You know how we do it with concealer, but here I'm not using concealer at all. I'm using just a dark brown blush to contour. And I'm going to be using a very very light bronzer to highlight. So I'm doing the same thing to my nose. I'm contouring my nose, the bridge of my nose. You see how it looks like I use concealer to do that. Guys, this is the easiest way to do your full makeup without going through the process of contouring and highlighting with concealer, using different color of concealer, blah blah blah. So now I'm going to be highlighting my nose, guys. Did you see that? So here I'm trying to blend it in. I don't want the bridge of my nose to be too shiny. I'm using the same highlighter to highlight my eyebrow bone. And I'm going to be blending that too. Guys, I always say this. Makeup generally is all about blending. I mean, literally, it's all about blending. When you apply your foundation, you need to blend it in very well. Your powder, your eyeshadow, everything is all about blending. So you want to blend your makeup very well. You don't want it to look like mask or like a masquerade, like we say in my country. Hey, I'm dancing right there. I'm dancing shaku shaku. Now I'm highlighting under my eye with bronzer instead of using a concealer. Guys, if you like this video, if you enjoy it, if you learn from this video, please give it a like and drop a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button below for more videos. So this is the part I don't really like about makeup, my eyelashes. And I'm done. So I'm trying to use the highlighter on my forehead and my chin. You know, those are the areas we normally or naturally use our concealer. But here, I'm not using concealer at all. The only part of this makeup that I use concealer is under my eyebrow, guys. Right there, I'm done. And I'm going to be performing some kind of magic here right now. Boom. There you go. Guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, if you learned from it, please like this video. Click on the notification button below. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.